Everyone, welcome to day 2 of our Power BI journey. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to download and install Power BI Desktop on your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Download. First, go to the official Power BI website, powerbi.microsoft.com. Click on Download Free under the Power BI Desktop section. Choose the version compatible with your operating system, Windows or macOS. Step 2. Install Power BI Desktop. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Accept the license terms, choose the installation location, and click Install. It's that simple. Step 3. Launch Power BI Desktop. After installation, launch Power BI Desktop from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or create one if you don't have it already. Step 4. Explore the interface. Now that Power BI Desktop is up and running, let's explore the interface. Home tab. Access data sources, transform data, and create reports. Report view. Design interactive visualizations. Data view. View and manage your data tables. Model view. Create relationships between tables. Step 5. Connect to a data source. To get started, click on Get Data from the Home tab. Choose a data source, like Excel, CSV, or SQL Server, and load your data. Now you're ready to create your first visualization. That's it. You've successfully installed and set up Power BI Desktop. Tomorrow, we'll dive into the Power BI interface and explore its features in detail. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what you're most excited to learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.